Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is appear. Here are some words related to the base word. Appearance, appeared, appearing, appears, disappear, disappearance, disappeared, disappearing, disappears, reappear, reappearance, reappeared, reappearing, reappears. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The magician made the birds appear out of nowhere. He was nervous about his appearance on stage. She suddenly appeared in the doorway. The sun is appearing over the horizon. She appears to be bold and confident. My keys always seem to disappear when I need them. The sudden disappearance of the dog was a mystery to the family. The criminal disappeared into the crowd. The card is disappearing before our eyes. The street disappears into the flood waters. The sun will reappear after the storm. The sudden reappearance of her childhood friend was a surprise. My friend reappeared after being missing for a month. The flowers are reappearing in the garden after the winter season. The moon reappears in the sky every night. Now let's review. Appear, appearance, appeared, appearing, appears, disappear, disappearance, disappeared, disappearing, disappears, reappear, reappearance, reappeared, reappearing, reappears. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.